FACTA, made, est, was.
Okay, let me make one comment real quick. These two phrases you've translated, data est and facta est, both of them have a past tense idea. Data est is translated was given. Facta est is translated was made. But what they literally mean, data means given, and that's past tense. Est means is, it's present tense. Facta means made, which is past tense. Est is present tense, is. So the idea here is to express this past tense idea, what Latin does is they say data est, given is. That means is given. But is given is the same thing as has been given. Is made is the same thing as has been made. Do you understand that? So it's an expression in Latin that expresses an idea that they don't actually have a verb form to express. So what they do to express that idea is they use what's called a participle. That's what data is, and facta. They're participles. And then they use a form of the verb is. So data est literally is translated given is. Facta est literally is made is. But then to make good English out of them, we translate them as was made and was given. Okay?